what's up, fellas? It's your boy Gas coming at you again with another Menlo Club video, and we got another Grand AC package. We do get it twice a year. At first I was pretty skeptical in the beginning because I was like, I didn't sign up for this, but you know, thankfully I enjoyed it. Of the month of January, I got this hoodie and this joggers, and I love working out with them. What can I say? And I'm actually excited for this month package because it's freaking hot and I need this type of clothes. But anyways, lucky you, if you want to sign up to the Menlo Club right now, you got three choices. You could choose like a summer bundle where you could get a polo shirt and a basic tee, or you could get the New Republic Kurt sneakers that is so hyped, and I really love those sneakers. But you get a chance to get them for $28 and a pair of nice shades and some cool socks. So if you want to look into that, I have everything you need to know in the description down below. But for now, let's get this unboxing ready because it's goddamn hot. Anyways, what do you guys think about this view? Beautiful, huh? Yep, I'm out here to shoot this video for you guys. So first off, alright, so here it is. Sooner or later, I believe they're gonna change up the package wrapping and the way you receive your packages. I believe they're working on that right now. So, wow, this is nice. Look at the shorts. They're like an off-white beige color. And like I said, you know, it's freaking hot, and I'm gonna throw these babies on right now. And we got there's another tank top. This is actually a Grand AC tank top, so you guys can see this how it looks. And now we got an olive green. Hell yeah, guys! Like I said, I'm excited for this month because it's hot and it's unbearable. And we got another tee. This is like the t-shirt. Like you could actually do like a marathon with this t-shirt. It looks like very breathable, very soft. It's something that you would want to wear if you're gonna, you know, go out and train hard. And this is like another one. So I like how it has like a little two-tone pocket right here. Very breathable. You can say I can't wait to try it out. So yeah, so I got 3 shirts and a nice pair of shorts. So we're gonna throw them on and see how it looks on me. Alright guys, so this is pretty much it. This is for the month of July. So if you want to cop some Grand AC, go ahead and use my link on the description. Also, don't forget to use the promo code THM to get 50% off on your first package. Pretty much it's gonna be $28, and you are getting a free pair of shades and some cool no-show socks. Actually, I don't know what kind of socks, but they have some pretty good legit socks. Also, if you don't want to get some Grand AC, remember you can also get some white Kurt sneakers and some summer essentials clothing. So just look in the description, you'll have everything you need to know right there. And this is pretty much it. And like always, it's your boy Gabs. Peace.